What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at some of the awesome car gadgets you will want to have. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. GoPump 5-in-1 Portable Air Pump. The GoPump 5-in-1 Portable Air Pump is not just any roadside companion, it's the ultimate solution for any emergency situation you might encounter on the road. Combining 5 essential functions into one compact and rugged tool, GoPump ensures you're always prepared for whatever comes your way. With the GoPump, you get an air pump, jump starter, power bank, camping light, and flashlight all in one robust package. Say goodbye to juggling multiple gadgets for roadside assistance. GoPump simplifies your emergency preparedness with its multifunctional design. Rapid tire inflation. Equipped with a high-performance built-in pump, GoPump inflates tires in just 1.5 minutes flat. Its premium polished pump ensures a tight seal for maximum efficiency. From car tires to bike tires, boat cushions to inflatable tents, GoPump handles it all with ease. Powerful jump-starting capability. Featuring a monster to 508 peak current, GoPump can jump-start 12 volts vehicles with up to 8.5 L petrol engines or 6.5 L diesel engines in just 1 to 3 seconds. Number 2. Basia Sharp Tool Safety Hammer. Emergencies on the road can strike unexpectedly, and being prepared can mean the difference between life and death. Introducing the Basia Sharp Tool Safety Hammer, a versatile and reliable device designed to aid in critical situations. Instant breakout window breaking plus safety quick belt cutting function. In times of crisis, every second is precious. The Basia Safety Hammer allows you to swiftly cut through seat belts and shatter glass, providing a means of escape for you and your loved ones. Number 3. BOXCO Basecamp Cooler. When it comes to outdoor adventures, having the right gear can make all the difference. The BOXCO Basecamp Cooler, specifically the Hub 70 model, is designed to meet the demands of any excursion, from rugged workshops to serene ranches. Heavy-duty construction. Crafted with heavy-duty rotomolded construction and featuring the proprietary X-shaped design, the Hub 70 is built to withstand whatever challenges nature throws its way. Its rock-solid durability ensures reliability in any situation, ensuring your gear stays protected. Modular storage versatility. Whether you're setting up base camp for climbing or hosting a backyard barbecue, the Hub 70 offers unparalleled modular storage versatility. Equipped with interchangeable clear view CANS and a front-facing cargo net, you can easily organize and access your essentials at a moment's notice. Commercial-grade cooling performance. Experience superior cooling performance with the Hub 70. Number 4. WaterPORT Weekender Portable 8-gallon Water Tank. When you're on the road, access to pressurized water can be a game-changer, especially during outdoor adventures. The WaterPORT Weekender Portable 8-gallon Water Tank offers the perfect solution for camping showers, overlanding, and on-the-go water storage. Experience convenience like never before with the Weekender Water Tank. Whether you're camping, overlanding, or simply exploring the great outdoors, this portable water tank provides on-the-go pressurized water for all your needs. From refreshing showers to drinking water, it's your ultimate off-road companion. Sun-warmed showers anywhere. The black color of the Weekender tank is designed to absorb the sun's rays, ensuring warm showers wherever your adventures take you. Say goodbye to chilly outdoor showers and embrace the luxury of a warm rinse at your campsite, beach, or any remote location. Comprehensive kit. The Weekender portable camping shower and water storage tank come complete with everything you need for hassle-free use. The kit includes an 8-gallon water tank, a 16-feet coiled hose, a high-pressure spray nozzle, and fill valve mounts for easy installation on your car top or truck top rack. Versatile mounting options. Compatible with platform-style racks, the Weekender tank includes mounting brackets for quick and secure installation. Additionally, a universal roof rack mounting kit is available separately, ensuring compatibility with various rack types for added convenience. Number 5. Ring CARCAM. In today's fast-paced world, ensuring the safety and security of your vehicle is paramount. The Ring CARCAM emerges as a comprehensive solution integrating advanced technology to safeguard your car against potential threats. Dual-facing HD cameras, equipped with 2 wide-angle cameras, the Ring CARCAM provides comprehensive coverage. The road-facing camera captures detailed driving footage. Number 6. RaceBox 10Hz GPS Performance Meter. RaceBox, the leading name in performance measurement technology, presents the ultimate solution for car enthusiasts: the RaceBox 10Hz GPS official-based performance meter box. Designed to deliver precise and comprehensive performance stats, this device revolutionizes the way you measure your vehicle's capabilities. RaceBox sets the standard for precision measurement, allowing you to track 0 to 60 miles per hour, 60 to 130 miles per hour acceleration, 1/4 mile times, and laps around your favorite race circuit with unparalleled accuracy. Whether you're a professional racer or a performance enthusiast, RaceBox provides the data you need to optimize your driving experience. Real-time lap performance data. Gain valuable insights into your lap performance with RaceBox's real-time lap timer. Immediate session analysis empowers you to fine-tune your driving skills without interrupting your sessions. Stay focused on the track while RaceBox handles the data collection. Comprehensive drag meter functionality. Measure your car's acceleration, braking, and speed performance with RaceBox's drag meter. For modes speed, distance, custom, and predictive offer versatility and depth, allowing you to analyze every aspect of your car's performance with precision. Number 7. Disklok Security Device. Protect your vehicle with confidence using the Disklok Security Device, a premium steering wheel lock designed to provide unbeatable security. Disklok is renowned for its robust construction and unmatched security features, making it the strongest steering wheel immobilizer available. Its alloy steel build ensures durability and resilience against tampering and attacks. Patented anti-theft design. Featuring a patented design, Disklok spins on attack, rendering it virtually impervious to theft attempts. This innovative feature not only prevents steering, but also safeguards the airbag and deters keyless entry theft, offering you complete peace of mind. Universal fitment. Designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, Disklok is suitable for cars with steering wheels measuring 13.7 inches to 15.3 inches measured left to right. Whether you drive a compact car, sedan, or SUV, Disklok provides a secure and snug fit for your peace of mind. Comprehensive package contents. Each Disklok security device comes complete with 3 keys, ensuring you have backups available in case of emergencies. Additionally, you'll receive an official Disklok window sticker, serving as a visible deterrent to potential thieves. With Disklok, you not only get maximum security, but also added peace of mind. Long-term warranty coverage. Backed by a generous 3-year mechanical warranty, Disklok offers reliability and assurance. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video.